Yeah, good morning everyone. This is my vlog. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Ayan, good morning everyone. Raining dito sa amin. Um, Time check, 4:11. Ayan, na-late ako ngayon ng labas kasi nga, ano, chika-chika, yung ganyan. Tapos, yeah, our weather for today is, yan, rainy days. Basta, natignan ko lang everyone na it raining. So, di ko na binasa kung anong degrees ba. So, ayan, kailangan nating magmadali sa paglalakad. Dahil medyo naulan. And so that's it for the moment. As usual everyone, maayong buntag sa tanan, happy days always. And what else? For my daily routine, see you when I see you later. Bye at the moment. Good morning everyone. Kain tayo. Oh, meron.
Bayad na bayad. Kubra ng kubra. Kubra ng kubra.
Let's go everyone. I'm here in South Ken. Westminster.
Jubilee line, the train now approaching is to Stanmore. Please stand back from the platform edge.
9:15. Time check. 9:19. Ay, puno. Loaded. Oh yeah, that's it. That's it. It's priority C.
Change here for Circular District Line. Exit here for Westmead and Houses of Parliament. Preference.
Time check. 9:42. So, going home with a tiny rain. Tuyo na yung aking payong kaya ayokong buksan. Hindi naman malakas kasi. Hindi malakas ang ulan. So, ano to? Parang ulambon sa Pilipinas. So, ayan lang everyone. Wait, later na lang. Mabasa yung cellphone ko. Lunch time everyone. Kain tayo mga katuto while watching in the big screen.
I put the windshield.
Yeah, but it hasn't been crash tested. There's no symbols.
Going to the Neurologist. Eh di paano yun? Ano sasakyan mo, kuya?
Let's see.
Something like that. Baka gumulong yun. Ha?
Can you do that?
No, she can. Your service is deluxe. Ang tunay daw na service ng nanay kasi hindi natuloy sa ambulance. Hindi siya kayang buhatin ng driver. Ay, Diyos! Going to Royal Hospital. Time check. 3:13 everyone. So, ayun for hapon. At mabutit wala pang ulan. Kasi ang sabi sa weather is wala naman. 16%. So, cloudy nga lang. 16%. So, tingnan natin hanggang mamaya sa makarating ako. Kasi, sa makauwi pala. I'm prepared. May dala naman akong payong. And that's the moment, everyone. See you after 2 trains and a couple of minutes to walk. Going to my job site, everyone.
This station is Wilston Green. This train
I'm
terminates
in,
at
everyone.
North Greenwich.
North Greenwich. Baba ako ng Finchley Road. No classes. No classes. No classes. So, early bird. Huh?
You already today?
Yeah.
Only 40 years.
You also. Na? Even the green one, the plan. Oh, there's a truck. National Express. Ayan, uwi na kami everyone. Ito ang site ng aming job site.
Misspell nang nakagano.
Yan yung famous eh. Sa Liverpool yan. Liverpool na yan, sis. Let's go. Let's go, sis. Let's go, sis. So, we're going early today. And tomorrow, I have another job after here. Covering. Good evening, everyone. Pero maliwanag pa rin. Time check. 6:45. Aga kami ngayon natapos. Kaya, maaga rin na uwi. Ayan lang, everyone. See you later at the house for our dinner.